Hello guys, welcome to Product Vyapar channel. This is the part 2 of the video of how to build your portfolio of stocks. Let's do a quick recap of the part 1. I explained my day from morning to the afternoon and what all companies products I used. So let's do a quick recap. This was for hand wash and brushing the teeth, milk, biscuit with tea, breakfast, taking a bath, innerwear, watch, oil, shoes, footwear, the mutual fund stocks, insurance stocks, various finance stocks. And this is how we ended our part 1. So let's start with part 2 now. Uh, so yeah, after lunch, I go back to my desk and check my email, and voila, today is the last day of the month, and I have an email from HDFC Bank notifying me that this month's salary has been deposited into my account. My other colleagues have received similar emails from ICICI Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank as well. So today we office guys have planned a football match on a nearby ground. I changed to my football attire, refill my water bottle using the Blue Star cooler in our office, grab a bottle of Varun Beverages Tropicana juice, which is a PepsiCo company, from the Voltas refrigerator and get going. On my way to the football ground, I see multiple construction sites having huge sacks of Ultratech cement, Ramco cement, and Shree cement stacked up one over the other. One of these sites has a huge crane picking up large wooden logs attached to each other by a strong bond of Pidilite's Fevicol. The crane has L&T written on it. One of my friends is asking another friend if there are any flats vacant for renting in his apartment. His one condition is that the flat should be as good as new, cleaned thoroughly, and painted afresh using Asian paints or Berger paints, because dirty walls do not give a good feeling inside a flat. So that was a great game. I am now too tired to walk back home, so I call out for a rickshaw guy. He pulls over, and I notice that the back of his rickshaw reads LPG, which he must be refilling at the Bahanagar gas station. I reach home, take a bath, freshen up, and go into the kitchen to heat up some milk. I turn on my gas cylinder, the one I buy from Indraprastha Gas, pour the milk into a utensil, and add my favorite Bonvita to it. While in the kitchen, I observe that I am almost out of groceries. I run to the nearby DMart store in pursuit of a quick and cost effective refill. So I'm back home after getting my groceries, and I get a call on my Reliance Jio SIM from a friend. I had almost forgotten that it was a Friday. We are planning to have a dinner outside and then watch a movie. However, there's a conflict as to where we were going to watch the movie. Some of my friends want to watch the movie in Inox Lido Mall because they want to have dinner at the nearby McDonald's just beside the mall. Some of them are leaning towards PVR Forum Mall because they want to have Domino's Pizza. I suggested that we go to Lido Mall because that was the closer one, and people who still wish to have Domino's Pizza can order it from Zomato. So, what a solution done. So after the movie, it was a great movie. So I come back home after the movie and call my parents. We start discussing our plans and dates for Diwali while I'm checking for Indigo and SpiceJet flights around Diwali dates, because I'll know I'll get the cheapest air tickets in one of them for sure. I write down all the permutations and combinations in my ITC's classmate notebook. So we finalize the plans, wish goodbyes and good nights, and hang up. So that was a tiring day. I lie down to sleep, but not before reading some news. I read an article in which the writer is expressing his pride over the companies like Infosys and TCS, over how they are creating jobs in India and how they are even hiring in the US, just like tech giants of the US are hiring here back in India. I feel proud to be an Indian because of an Indian company. If an Indian company is hiring employees in the US, it makes me feel that our country is powerful as well, just like the US. So, guys, we covered a lot many stocks here, and my day has ended finally. So, this is the end of part 2. In the next part, we will look at how. So, now that once we have gone through the entire day and seen which all products we use or we come across, how to do technical analysis, how to research about the company and shortlist them based on their financials, their management, and other things. So keep looking out for part 3, will be coming soon. So if you like the video, please do click on the like button, comment, give us your feedback, share with your friends, and definitely subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.